Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check Instagram watch history. Alright, Instagram provides a built-in tracking tool that catalogs every reel and video you have viewed over the last 30 days, ensuring you can easily relocate content even if you have forgotten it or saved it or liked it. Alright, so go ahead and open up Instagram. Now go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it and then tap on the three horizontal lines. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and find your activity right here under how you use Instagram. So tap on your activity and you'll be able to see it right here. All right. Scroll down and here you go. Here we have watch history. So just go ahead and tap on it. You can go ahead and filter it out to newest to oldest or oldest to newest, as well as the dates right here, last week, last month, or the custom date range. All authors or specific authors right here. All right. So once that's done, you can now go ahead and browse freely right here to these reels or videos that you've watched. And that's how easy it is to check Instagram watch history. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.